welcome back to the next video, and in this video I am going to start trigonometric identities based sum. So this is the last topic of the chapter trigonometry, and from the next video we will start a new chapter. So let's start. As in the previous video I have gave you 3 formulas. So based on this we are going to do some problems. So the formula that I have given in the previous video is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cos square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So let's do the first problem. Sec a 1 minus sin a sec a plus tan a equals to 1. Now we have to prove that this one is 1 by using these formulas. Now let's start. LHS. So we will solve it by LHS. So LHS here is sec a 1 minus sin a sec a plus tan a. Now how we can convert it into, how we can reduce it to 1. Now let us convert sec a plus tan a in terms of sin and cos. So sec a can be written as 1 by cos a, and tan a can be written as sin a by cos a. Now sec a 1 minus sin a. Now we can by adding we can write 1 plus sin a by cos a. Now sec a can also be converted into 1 by cos a. So 1 by cos a 1 minus sin a 1 plus sin a by cos a. So 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a can be written as 1 minus sin squared a by a minus b into a plus b formula. So 1 minus sin squared a, and cos a into cos a is cos squared a. Now cos squared a can be written as 1 minus sin squared a by trigonometric identities, that is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. So cos squared theta is 1 minus sin squared theta. So cos squared a is 1 minus sin squared a, and we can eliminate it and we can write it as 1 equals to RHS proved. So going back to the next problem, by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Now let us start by LHS. LHS is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta, and cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Now we can convert tan theta and cot theta in by sin by cos. So let us first convert it into sin and cos. So tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta can be written as 1 by cos theta by sin theta. Similarly, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, and tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Now sin theta by cos theta. Now let us subtract 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, and that is and that is sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Similarly here also we can subtract and we get cos theta minus sin theta. Now we know that sin theta will go up, so it will become as sin square theta, and sin theta minus cos theta will be with cos theta. So cos theta sin theta minus cos theta plus and this cos will get will go in the up and it will become cos square theta, and sin theta, that is cos theta minus sin theta. Now if we can somehow if we can somehow make cos theta minus sin theta as sin theta minus cos theta, then we can easily add this, and we can easily common sin theta minus cos theta. So if we change the plus sign by minus, we can also, and if we change here as plus, so we can change by changing the sign, we can adjust sin theta minus cos theta. So I am doing over up, that is sin square theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, and if we change the value, if we change the plus by sign by minus, we can write as cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta, as minus sin theta minus plus cos theta as same, that is cos theta minus sin theta. So now by taking common, we can write sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta. Now we can write it over as sin cube theta, and here we can write as cos cube theta. Now we know the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square. And here the same as it is. So sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta gets cancelled, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. Now it is nothing but now if we individually add, we get 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta, and here it gets cancelled, and we get sec theta cosec theta plus 1 equals to RHS. So LHS and RHS, so therefore LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. I hope you guys understood the problem. Cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A equals to cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Now this can also be done similarly by converting cot by cos A and sin A and then adding and subtracting. So let's start. Cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A, that is cos A by sin A by cos A by sin A plus cos A. Now if we subtract it, we get sin A now cos A minus cos A into sin A. Similarly here also we get sin A cos A plus sin A cos A. Now sin A and sin A gets cancelled and cos A minus cos A sin A cos A can be taken common and we can write as cos A 1 minus sin A. Similarly here also we can take common cos A and write it as 1 plus sin A, and cos A gets cancelled and we can write 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Now our proof is in cosec A, so we can convert sin A in cosec. So let's convert it into cosec A. We know sin A equals to 1 by cosec A. Similarly 1 by cosec A, and we get cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Cosec A and cosec A gets cancelled and we get cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1 equals to RHS root. So this is our sum. So I hope you guys understand, and let's do the next problem. And this is one of the most important problems in class 10 boards. Now let's do the next problem. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Now this is one of the most important problems in class 10. So before doing this sum, we have to make a rough idea how to solve this sum. So at first we write it as LHS. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now how we can solve this sum? We can convert sin theta by cos theta. Now how we can convert sin theta and cos theta into sec and tan theta? We can convert it as, if we divide both sides, both numerator and denominator by cos theta, we can get sec theta and tan theta. So if we divide by cos theta, we get sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by cos theta by cos theta. Now if we divide it, we get sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, cos gets cancelled and becomes 1, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta. Similarly here also sin theta by cos theta tan theta, cos gets cancelled and becomes 1, and 1 minus cos theta is sec theta. Now let us separate sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 and tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now this 1 can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta. How? Here in the formula, here it is given 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Now this 1 can be changed into sec square theta minus tan square theta. So we can write it as sec theta plus tan theta is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta is in a square minus b square form, so we can write it as a minus b into a plus b form. So sec square theta minus tan square theta can also be written as into sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. So we can write it as sec theta plus tan theta as a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, and here we have tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now let us take common tan sec theta plus tan theta, and we get 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta, that is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now sec theta plus tan theta, and if you simplify we get 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta by tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now this part and this part is same, so we can cancel it out, that is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 and 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. So these two gets cancelled and we get sec theta plus tan theta. We get sec theta plus tan theta. Now this is LHS. Now let us do the RHS part. Now RHS we got 1 by 1 minus sec theta minus tan theta. If we rationalize it, we get sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, that is sec theta plus tan theta here. And we know that again by a minus b into a plus b formula, we know that sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is nothing but sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now by formula we know that 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta becomes 1. So we get sec theta plus tan theta, which is same as LHS. So therefore we can say LHS equals to RHS proved. And so I hope you guys have understand this sum, and we come to the end of this chapter, and from the next video we will going to start a new chapter. So hope you guys like it, and please subscribe the channel, and if you have any queries, please write it in the comment box. We will try to solve it out for you. Thank you guys.